Hi, how's it going? Just making a brief video from work. I got the news yesterday that I got into Kobe, which is good. I don't have to worry now. I don't have to wonder where my training's going. So it's about 21 weeks. From 20 weeks I'll on November 23rd, the running of the 2014 Kobe Marathon. So I'm gonna sort of put on I won't be running much racing until early October, but I've just fitted in a few 10Ks and maybe a half before Kobe, and I'll build up Lydiard style until then. But like I told you before, I hadn't been running much, but now that I have that marathon in the works, I'll see what I can do about getting my plan back together again. I'm going to go for a run now actually. It's pretty hot, but I'll just do a jog. I'm going to try to, if I don't run every day, at least just get the legs moving over. So I've got some fitness to build up, but maybe Sunday I'll let you know more about my plan, what's going to happen. But I just wanted to let you know that I got into Kobe and just make an update on my podcast. On my blog. Alright, take it easy. I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.